Hello there. Today I'm recording from quite an unusual spot. It's my bedroom. Well, I couldn't do that downstairs in the room because my son is there, and the thing that I'm going to talk about now is my new drone, which is the DJI Mini 3 Pro, and my son is super excited about drones, and it wouldn't be easy to record anything with him around. So it's been a while since I recorded a video, and to be honest, there's a lot of stuff happening around, so I decided to put my channel on hold and video making, and I just focused on other things. But it doesn't mean that I forgot about my channel, so I'll be still creating videos, and I just want to reach a point where I will have enough time to create videos regularly, upload those regularly, instead of having like one video every 3 months, once half a year, or something like that. So yesterday, on 20th of May, my new drone arrived, and it's also part of my order because I ordered it with the Fly More kit, which has some additional batteries, charger, and a nice bag. But I need to wait. The drone was officially released on 10th of May, and one of the lucky people who pre-ordered it around 10th, so mine arrived yesterday. But if you would like to order it right now, then you would probably need to wait until the end of June or even mid-July, and people who order later will have to wait even longer. So yeah, DJI is very busy with those, but I'm not surprised. It has all the functions I was missing from previous versions, so I never went for the Mini 2 because it was a slight upgrade from the first edition, which I have, but it didn't have everything that I needed, and with that one it's still a small compact drone below 250 grams. Around most of the world you can fly it without license and any problems, which is great, especially for casual pilots like me who are just flying drones from time to time for the sake of some video footage. And the one great thing that it comes with is the new controller. So in the past you had to attach your phone to the controller, and now you have a big screen and you don't need to have your phone with you, which is a great thing, because it happened for me a few times that I couldn't fly my drone because I didn't take a cable with me and I couldn't connect it to the remote control. And the functions the drone has that were the must for me are those sensors from the front, in the front and at the bottom, so now it can avoid any obstacles, which is great. It records in 4K and 60 FPS, so I love doing some slow-mo footage from my aerial footage. And finally, for the drone this size, they added tracking, and that's the functionality I was missing a lot in previous versions as well, because I would love to take some footage of cycling, for example, or driving a car around beautiful coast. So those are like main features that I was really looking forward to, and considering bigger drones just to have those. And finally, with the Mini 3, I have it, so I just had to buy it. I just had to pre-order it when it was released, I won't be doing any in-depth reviews or any unboxing because there are plenty of videos with that, so I just wanted to share the main reasons I'm happy with that drone and I had to upgrade. I wanted to do a little update that I didn't forget about my channel, and I'll be still making videos in the future, so stay tuned for that. There will be plenty once I get more time. And for now I think I will just take my son and we will go to some castle and fly over there, because it appears that today there isn't going to be rain, and for the next few days it's going to be rainy, so I need to use that opportunity. So let's go and see how it works.